We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 202. Let's go on in and take a look. We're entering through the kitchen like we do in most of the studio apartments here in the building. You can see the kitchen is on the left and there's the refrigerator. There's the sink and dishwasher is under the sink. The microwave, you can see some upper cabinets. There's the stove and oven, a pair of lower cabinets, as well as a couple of drawers here in the kitchen. Across from the kitchen is the bathroom for the apartment. Let's take a look in there as we're going by. So the bathrooms are basically the same shape and size here in Collegetown Center. So we've got that full-size tub shower with a sliding door. This one does have a newer vanity. There's a toilet and there is a medicine cabinet over there on the wall, and a couple of towel bars as well. As we go into the apartment, the next door we'll pass by is the closet. We'll take a look in there. These apartments here in Collegetown Center do have some good closet space. There's a lot of storage room for you in here. Let's go into the main part of the apartment. So this is an angle style apartment. The angle windows do offer a larger window, so it's quite bright in here. The furnishings will always be that desk and chair, full-size bed, table and chair, dresser, and there's a bookshelf, which you can see that is right over here on our right. You can move the furniture around however you like within the apartments. And it's a good idea to watch a variety of the videos so you can get some ideas for furniture placement within the different apartments. Different layouts definitely make the apartment feel like they're a different spatial setup, so you definitely want to check that out. You can see some good morning sun coming in here. We're on the south side of the building. That's the air conditioner unit for the apartment underneath that window. So this larger window on the left side is facing towards the east. This is a south view right here. This other window that is towards the west, and you can see another one of these angle window apartments right next door to us. So that's the view. The south side is generally considered the quieter side of the building, and it's definitely the sunnier side of the building. So that's a look at Collegetown Center, studio apartment 202, an angle style apartment. We have the same apartment on floors 2 through 6 in this 6th floor elevator building at 151 Dryden Road, and we're just 1 block from campus.